Since the dawn of civilization, people have been striving to broaden the boundaries of what is possible. We are on the verge of a revolution that has the power to completely change our lives. The era of artificial intelligence has arrived. Artificial intelligence is a force that is changing the world as we know it, not just a technical breakthrough. Artificial intelligence is expanding our horizons, solving difficult problems, and opening up new avenues in a variety of fields, including healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. Imagine a society where individualized education is accessible to everyone, disease identification occurs in mere seconds, and intelligent systems enhance the efficiency and ease of our daily lives. This is happening right now. It's not the future. Come discover with us how artificial intelligence is transforming industries, changing the world, and improving our daily lives. Find out about the technologies that are advancing humanity, from the profound to the useful. Let's go out on this adventure to comprehend artificial intelligence's transformative potential. Both clients and staff. Number 8. Customers and employees. Customer service has already seen a significant impact from chatbots. I predict that in the future, it will become increasingly difficult to distinguish between a human and an artificial intelligence as chatbots continue to integrate generative artificial intelligence technology and become more dependable and human-sounding. Organizational workers often possess a variety of manuals and documents, typically stored in centralized repositories and concealed on computers. Artificial intelligence makes it easier to quickly find, search for, and comprehend important information. Number 7. Marketing. Generic artificial intelligence is already having a significant impact on traditional marketing, particularly in fields like copywriting. Ideally, an editor with practical experience in the business sector should be proofreading. However, artificial intelligence can now create written materials such as biographies, blog posts, sales copies, and press releases. Even though it's still a flawed process that necessitates human fact-checking, the rapid development of artificial intelligence likely contributes to much of what you read online these days. Number 6. Research and development. Thanks to advances in artificial intelligence, researchers can now better understand everything, from the universe to the human body. Sifting through massive amounts of data in search of patterns and anomalies has shaped our understanding of galaxies. Many of the scientific and medical advances that are currently taking place and are soon to occur depend on robots' ability to analyze, comprehend, and communicate with large amounts of data. Number 5. Risk and security. Machine learning techniques can effectively apply to any problem set that contains enormous volumes of data, also known as big data. Globally, the internet today transmits approximately 1 petabit per second or 1 quadrillion bits of data per second. Artificial intelligence is able to recognize possible dangers and respond to them by continuously studying and learning from billions of data items. It can even take automated actions to reduce or stop hostile cyberattacks. Number 4. IT engineering. The field of software development is rapidly evolving due to generative artificial intelligence, which may write complete code segments or only ask queries. This is true for the whole engineering ecosystem, as artificial intelligence-enhanced PCs are quickly taking the place of traditional tools for modeling and designing in fields including aerospace and aeronautical, civil, electrical, and nearly every other kind of complicated engineering. Number 3. Shopping experience. The COVID-19 pandemic's reaction to the closure of non-essential retailers has exacerbated the industry's long-standing problems with high-street retail. We are making an increasing number of purchases online as everyone is aware of their own daily purchasing experiences. Artificial intelligence is therefore improving e-commerce sites and potentially changing the in-store experience. Personalized shopping companies use artificial intelligence to assess customers' past purchases and provide tailored product recommendations based on the gathered information. For example, Google Cloud recently revealed the release of a new toolkit driven by a recommendations AI that provides real-time data and boosts user engagement to provide a more customized shopping experience. Artificial intelligence advancements are also driving the development of augmented reality and visual search in customer service to improve the client experience. Visual search uses artificial intelligence to analyze real-world photos and generate a list of relevant results. Retailers like Amazon use artificial intelligence in the homeware and fashion industries, where the visual content of these categories may reduce the effectiveness of search engine terms. For instance, users of Amazon's Style Snap can imitate their preferred looks by submitting a photo and letting artificial intelligence recommend things that go well together. Number 2. Healthcare. Global healthcare systems are under pressure from the COVID-19 pandemic, an aging population, increased demand for their services, and expanding expenses. To address these issues, artificial intelligence is fostering innovation in clinical settings, including the creation of new treatments and the improvement of the patient-doctor bond. Here are a few instances of advances in healthcare utilizing artificial intelligence: finding cancer, MIT researchers developed Voxomorph, an artificial intelligence system that can analyze biopsy images 1,000 times faster than physicians while maintaining an 87% accuracy rate. This is encouraging because it may help identify cancers like melanoma, which are more difficult to detect in their early stages. Release of the COVID-19 vaccine. Researchers at the University of Southern California have developed an artificial intelligence framework that can swiftly analyze COVID vaccination candidates, enabling scientists to identify potential future viral mutations and identify the best preventive medical treatments. Experts predict that by the end of 2021, the market value of artificial intelligence in healthcare will reach $6.6 billion, with an expected increase in spending from $463 million in 2019 to over $2 billion over the next 5 years. We greatly appreciate artificial intelligence's ability to positively impact healthcare. Artificial intelligence increases efficiency and accuracy, which lowers healthcare costs and improves patient outcomes. Physicians can save and improve more lives by providing the best care possible if they are not overworked and have greater capacity. Number 1. Education. Artificial intelligence's influence on the next generation is a prime example of how it is reshaping the future. Computer science and artificial intelligence are playing a major role in the ways that children are learning today, ways that were not even conceivable in education a decade ago. The epidemic brought up important issues regarding the efficacy of teaching pupils at all educational levels, from basic to post-secondary. The shift to partially online classes brought up the question of how parents, colleges, and schools may use artificial intelligence to address the problems associated with flexible scheduling and distant learning. Robot learning. According to Dr. Michelle Tempest and other psychology and artificial intelligence experts, machine learning will enable robots and programs to successfully outsource children by 2050. This could lead to situations where artificial intelligence programs handle all aspects of daily parenting and schooling. More recently, experts predict that the global market for artificial intelligence and education will reach a valuation of $5.80 billion by 2025. Language translation, a real-world application of artificial intelligence in education, enables students from diverse language backgrounds to participate in lectures. Schools can also use tailored teaching artificial intelligence to provide a personalized learning experience that gets around issues with learning styles, progress, and special needs. For example, schools can use artificial intelligence systems to provide students with personalized feedback on their grades or create a unique learning profile for each student, from which they can tailor training materials to suit their needs and learning preferences. On average, teachers dedicate half of their time to non-teaching tasks, thereby reducing the amount of time they spend on teaching administration. Artificial intelligence can automate administrative tasks, including chatbots that can respond to queries from parents and students, as well as grade papers. In educational environments, there will always be a need for human teachers and interpersonal connections. But if artificial intelligence can improve the lives and outcomes of students and teachers, then everyone wins. As artificial intelligence advances, machine learning will propel human learning to unprecedented heights, allowing it to personally and immediately reply to students. If we are to effectively address the massive difficulties that the world is experiencing, this progress is essential. I appreciate you looking. Remember to subscribe and like our YouTube channel.